Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give you a clear and easy to understand comparison of Xero and Zoho Books, covering its key features, usability, pricing and more. So let's get started. When it comes to ease of use, Xero has clean, modern interface, intuitive but has a mild learning curve, while Zoho Books is very intuitive for beginners and easy navigation across models. Now, when you look at the core accounting aspect of it, Xero has a robust double entry accounting, invoicing, and bank reconciliation feature, while Zoho Book has strong accounting core with customizable invoicing and automation. Now, let's look at inventory management. Xero has built-in solid for small to mid-sized businesses inventory management, while Zoho Books has a built-in and slightly more feature-rich inventory management, for example, batch tracking and reorder levels. Now let's look at the automation aspects of them. Now when it comes to automation, Xero has automatic bank feeds, rules, and recurring invoicing, while Zoho Books has strong automation like workflows, recurring bills, and auto reminders. Now look at the integrations. Xero integrations has about 1,000 plus integrations like Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, and Gusto, while Zoho Book integrates well with Zoho ecosystem plus about 50 plus third-party tools. Now look at the mobile app. Xero has good mobile support for iOS and Android devices, while Zoho Books has a feature-rich mobile app including time tracking, expenses, and invoicing. Now when it comes to multi-currency support, it is supported by Xero on higher tier plans and supported by Zoho Books even on mid-tier plans. So when it comes to reporting, Xero has customizable financial reports and dashboard, while Zoho Books has about 50 plus standard reports that integrate with Zoho Analytics for advanced insights. When it comes to time tracking, Xero Accounting has built-in time tracking, but it's basic, while Zoho Books is integrated with projects and billable hours tracking. Now, if you look at the user roles and access for Xero Accounting, we have granularly user permission, while for Zoho Books, we have detailed user roles and access control. If you look at the customer support, for Xero, it has email-only customer support 24/7, while for Zoho Books, we have a live chat, email, and phone support depending on the plan you subscribe to. Now, let's look at the offline access. Yes, we have offline cloud-based access only. It has cloud-based access only for Xero, and the same for Zoho Books, cloud-based access only. So when you look at the free plans, Xero does not have any free plan, while Zoho Books has free plan for businesses with less than about 50k turnover in India or solo users in some regions. Now look at pricing in 2025 for Xero. It starts at about $13 per month up to about $70 per month for established plans, while for Zoho Books, it starts at about less than $0 to $15 a month, has a premium plan of less than $40 a month, and it varies by region and features. Now, if you look at what they are best for, we can see that Xero Accounting is best for mid-sized businesses, growing teams, and accountants needing integration, while Zoho Books is best for small to mid-sized businesses, especially existing Zoho users. So, a quick summary of this is that you choose Xero if you need strong integration, simplified accounting for growing businesses, and clean reporting with robust cloud access. But choose Zoho Books if you're a solo user or small business that wants deep automation and already use Zoho CRM or other Zoho apps. Hope you found this video helpful.